What if the next 12 months quietly change your financial life forever? Not a lottery win, not crypto hype, not a quit your job tomorrow fantasy, but a deliberate year. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Wealth isn't built in decades first. It's built in direction first. And most people never fix their direction. Have you ever felt that knot in your stomach, knowing you're capable of more, but stuck in the same money loop, same income, same stress, same promises to start next month? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a 12-month roadmap most people never see, and one shift in this plan determines whether year one builds money or builds you. You're not bad with money, you're wired against wealth. Your brain is built for survival, not compounding. Behavioral economist Daniel Kahneman discovered something powerful. We feel losses twice as strongly as gains. That's why you fear investing. You hesitate to negotiate your salary. You stay comfortable instead of strategic. It's called loss aversion. And when money feels tight, your brain narrows focus. Scarcity mode activates. You stop thinking long term. You start thinking next paycheck. That's the trap. What if 3 deliberate shifts over 12 months could rewire this completely? Not overwhelm you, rewire you. This isn't complicated, it's structured, and structure changes everything. Most people try to grow money before they control it. That's backwards. For 90 days, you become aware, track every dollar, not to restrict yourself, to expose leaks, cancel what doesn't serve you, negotiate recurring bills, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, then automate investing into a Roth IRA or your employer for 101k, small, consistent, automatic. Why? Because automation removes emotion, and emotion destroys wealth. But here's what most people miss. This phase isn't about saving money, it's about building discipline, and discipline compounds faster than dollars. Now we shift from protection to expansion. Instead of obsessing over cutting coffee, invest 5 focused hours per week into one high-income skill, not 10, 1. Copywriting, digital marketing, sales, coding. YouTube has free education, but almost nobody executes. Psychologically, this flips your identity. From consumer to creator, from employee to asset builder, side income appears, confidence increases. And here's the twist most people don't expect. When income rises, your fear drops. Opportunities suddenly look less risky. Hold that thought, because phase 3 changes everything. Now you leverage momentum, join one intentional community, upgrade your network, have conversations about growth. Why? Because identity is contagious. When you see others building wealth, your belief system recalibrates. Then, increase investments. Reinvest side income. Think in assets, not expenses. By month 12, something strange happens. You're not stressed the same way, you're not reacting the same way, you're thinking differently. And that's the real transformation. Remember when I said most people expect year 1 to pay them? That's the mistake. Year 1 builds the machine, year 2 pays you. If you use 12 months to control money, increase income, automate investing, upgrade identity, the trajectory changes permanently. You're not a hustler, you're an architect. Architects design first. They don't panic. They don't chase trends, they build systems, and systems build wealth. You were never broke, you were just unstructured, and structure is power. 1 year from now, you'll either say, I wish I started, or I'm glad I did. Nobody taught you this plan, but now you know it. So here's the final question. If you commit to one focused year, who could you become? What will your wealth look like in 12 months? Question of the day, what's one financial habit quietly holding you back right now? Comment it below, I'll reply to a few.